Fixity-fix! Front Differential Fluid Change 2015 4Runner Limited. Here is a 10mm hex drain bolt and a 10mm hex fill bolt. Always remove the fill bolt first. If you can't remove the fill bolt after you remove the drain bolt, you're stuck. So we remove the fill bolt. This one was easy to get out, standard ratchet. We're going to replace the washer while we have it out. And then we'll remove the drain bolt. These are usually stuck a little tighter, so it's going to take a breaker bar on the 10mm hex bolt. Remove it all the way, then we'll let the fluid drain out. While that's draining for 10 or 15 minutes, wipe the iron shavings and filings off of the magnet, remove the copper crush washer, throw it away, and replace with a new copper washer. Clean off the drain hole. Be careful not to cross thread the drain plug when you screw it in by hand. Once it's screwed in by hand and wiped clean, you can tighten it down to 29 foot-pounds. And then we refill the 1.5 quarts of 75W90 synthetic fluid. I am using Mobile One and making a bit of a mess. So whatever type of fluid transfer pump you use, just make sure it's clean. I have this one that screws onto multiple types of oil bottles, and I use it only for transfer case and front and rear differential fluids, just to keep it consistent and not to mix the different chemicals together. Don't want anything breaking down inside the machinery. If you notice the zip tie on the bottle to your right a moment ago, you can see that's where I keep the new washers for replacing the plug washers. So we will pump and fill the differential until fluid starts to weep out of the fill hole. I usually poke a finger in there to make sure I can feel the oil, make absolutely sure it's full, and then we, with a new crush washer installed, install it finger tight, careful not to cross thread. These are light duty metals. And then we'll tighten it down to 29 foot-pounds, and this job is done after we take the car down off the jack and jack stands. Thank you for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you find this helpful.